Hi, welcome back. So we should start our topic about non-parametric statistics with discussing distribution-free tests. The idea is like this. When it comes to tests based on these statistics, we have to assume that data is distributed normally and sample is large enough. When it comes to t-student statistics, it's less restrictive regarding the size of the sample. However, it is still extremely restrictive when it comes to the distribution of data. Data should be distributed normally. However, this is not the case in most of cases. Actually, you have plenty of non-normal distributions like flat distribution, picked or triangular distribution when it's extremely peaky, or skewed distribution, which is close to normal yet non-symmetrical. And in those cases, even t-statistic is not valid. For instance, you can check the data on government spending collected for the United States for several decades. So even though the number of observations is large sufficiently and hypothetically data should be distributed normally, it is not. So this distribution is actually quite similar to this one, skewed distribution. So if I have data like this, it means that I cannot use t-student test. I cannot compare government spending in the United States to government spending in China, for instance. Therefore, we have several distribution-free tests which are less restrictive when it comes to the distribution of data. So distribution-free tests are statistical tests that do not rely on any underlying assumptions about the probability distribution of the sampled population. And the branch of inferential statistics devoted to distribution-free tests is called non-parametrics or non-parametric statistics. So non-parametric tests are typically based on ranks of measurements, and they are often called rank statistics or rank tests. However, there is one underlying assumption which has to be fulfilled nevertheless, so it should be selected randomly, and the probability distribution has to be continuous. So those two assumptions are still valid even when it comes to distribution-free tests. Okay, so that was it, and in the next videos we are going to discuss how to compute those distribution-free tests and in which circumstances they are more appropriate. Thank you for watching.